I've got something divided by something. So what rule are we going to have to use to get derivative here? Okay. You're going to need the quotient rule. So either memorize the formula or memorize the pattern. I memorized the pattern. Quotient rule says take the derivative of the numerator times the denominator left alone minus, and then do it the other way. Derivative of the denominator with the numerator left alone. And then the most forgotten thing about quotient rule, not so much on multiple choice because you get kind of a reminder when you look at the choices, but on free responses, students sometimes forget to put this denominator. It's all over the denominator squared. You okay up to that point? Okay, so there's the calculus behind this, but again, now I'm looking at the choices and none of them look like this. So we have to try to simplify this and see if there's some stuff that will combine together. So I'm going to guess that I should distribute this 3. I'm going to distribute this 3x. Probably not going to mess with this denominator. If we combine these like terms, we get to this. And now we're pretty close. It looks like the answer should be what? It should be D. So first off, I mean, anytime none of these is a choice, like I know that makes the question a little trickier because you don't really want to pick it, but then sometimes it is the answer. So kind of like the last question you guys asked, both of these terms had a 3. So they took out the 3 as a GCF. And then instead of saying negative x squared plus 1, they just said 1 minus x squared. So they just switched the terms. But that's why it would be choice D.
But if it's choice B, shouldn't they also take out the negative because... Oh wait, never mind, I see now.
Yeah, I mean the x squared is still negative, the 1's still positive. They just flip the order of the terms, but and this is why I was saying when we did the book work and I knew every couple questions they were a real pain to simplify, but I told you guys if you didn't practice simplifying, then you're going to get yourself in this kind of predicament where you can do the calculus, you can get the derivative, but then you can't figure out which one's the answer. So okay, it's about this?
No.
Okay.